Are you dreaming of owning your own home but also feeling overwhelmed by the process? Don't worry, you're not alone. At Bondzansi, we are here to help first-time buyers like you navigate through the exciting journey of finding your perfect home.
Today, we're launching our first-time buyer's toolkit, a series packed with tips, tricks, and expert advice to empower you every step of the way.
Now, your first tool in the box is house hunting. It's not just about the wow factor, it's about what won't make your bank account say, ouch.
Spot on, Desi Han. And remember, that perfect home might come with more baggage than your auntie at the airport.
Step 1 is to get pre-approved. A pre-approval will tell you exactly how much house you can afford, saving you time and frustration.
Step 2, the home inspection. It's like checking for bones in your fish curry. Necessary unless you enjoy surprises. This will assist you to identify any potential problems with the property, saving you from costly repairs down the line.
Right you are, Lenny G. And remember, when it comes to making your offer, it's about open communication. You need to be clear about your terms, but also be willing to listen to the seller's perspective. Finding common ground is key.
Exactly, Desi Han. It's a dance, not a tug of war. You both want to reach a win-win situation.
And finally, once your offer has been accepted, it's time for the paperwork. Now, it might seem like a mountain, but with the right guide, it's going to be a great journey. There will be loan applications, purchase agreements, and other documentation. But don't worry, at Bondzansi, we'll explain everything along the way, making it a smooth journey.
And we're here to make sure it doesn't turn into Table Mountain. Right, Desi Han?
Absolutely, Lenny G. And finally, closing the deal. It's the moment your home gets its new captain. You.
That's when you go from dreaming to living. But remember, a home needs care and consideration for the future.
When you're buying your first home, it's important to think long-term. How does the home fit into your future plans?
Consider the location, the community, and potential for growth. It's not just a home, it's an investment.
Absolutely. And don't forget about the resale value. You might love that quirky little design now, but will it appeal to others when it's time to sell?
Now, before we wrap up, let's check out this week's home hack.
Behold, today's Bondzansi home hack.
But what does a carrot have to do with today's home hack?
Just about everything. Ever had a floppy carrot? Fear not. Just grab a bowl of water, pop them in, and stick them in the fridge overnight. By tomorrow, they'll be crisp, crunchy, and ready to gobble up.
I'm so trying this, bro. My carrots are going from zero to hero. By the way, does this trick work in the bedroom as well?
Lenny, that is a question for a completely different show. Anyway, until next time, folks, remember that an erect carrot is a happy carrot.
Dude, that came out so wrong.
Remember, buying a home is one of the biggest decisions you will ever make. Take your time, do your research, and don't hesitate to reach out to the experts at Bondzansi. We are here to guide and help you through the process and make your home buying dream a reality.
Until next time, keep your dreams in sight and your plans in action. This is Lena G.
And this is Desi, your friendly neighborhood home loan expert at Bondzansi. Here's to making informed decisions and finding the perfect home for you. See you next time on Bondzansi. Mzansi. Hello homeowners and future home buyers. Welcome to the home of Bondzansi. I'm Desi, ready to simplify the home loan world just for you.
And I'm Lena G. Today, we're diving deep into the language of home loans. Grab your notebooks because class is in session.
Let's start with amortization. This term is the gradual reduction of your loan balance through regular payments over time.
Think of it like a countdown timer for your loan, where each payment is 1 second closer to zero.
Nice. Next, we have repayment term. This is the duration that you have agreed to pay back your loan, and it can range from 5 years to 30 years, depending on the type of plan you chose.
And don't forget payment schedule. This outlines how often you'll make payments: monthly, weekly, or even ad hoc.
Now, moving on to interest rates. This can be a bit tricky, so pay close attention. A fixed interest rate means that your rate stays the same throughout the loan term based on the product that you've chosen.
Whereas a variable interest rate can fluctuate based on market conditions. It simply means your rate could go up, it could go down, or it could just stay the same.
Exactly, Lenny. And while we're at it, let's talk about credit score. This number is like your financial report card, and it can affect the loan terms significantly.
Indeed, a high score can mean lower interest rates. It's like having a VIP ticket in the home loan club.
And for those looking to get a head start, a pre-approval is your golden ticket. It shows sellers that you are serious and ready to buy.
Absolutely. And with our Bondzansi platform, you can get your pre-approval completed in just 2 minutes.
Wow, Lenny, just 2 minutes. That's faster than the time it takes to make a cup of coffee.
That's right, Desian. Speaking of coffee, let's grab one while we check out this week's home hack.
Hey everybody, I'm Desi, and this is the Bondzansi home hack of the day. Declutter and create extra storage space with vacuum bags.
Vacuum bags? Aren't those for packing suitcases when you're going on holiday?
True, Lenny, they're great for travel, but they're also a lifesaver when it comes to storing bulky items at home. So just pop on your spare duvets, blankets, and seasonal clothes into the bag, suck out the air with the vacuum cleaner, and bam! Honey, I shrunk the clutter.
That's insane. I could finally fit all my winter jerseys into one drawer. But are they safe for my clothes, bruv?
Absolutely. They're also airtight, so it protects your clothes from dust, moisture, and even moths. Plus, they're reusable, so it's a win for your wallet too.
I am so sold on this. I'm going to vacuum pack my entire life.
Oh there, Tiger, don't get too carried away. Just remember, vacuum bags are perfect for those bulky items that you don't need access to every day. So maybe not for things like your underwear, for example, because you might just need them.
I got it, bro. This is a game changer, Desi. And thanks so much for the tip. I'm a sucker for anything that helps me with the declutter.
Anytime, my friend. And just remember, a clutter-free home
Is a happy home. We've covered a lot, but there's always more to learn.
Remember, these terms are your tools for navigating the home buying journey. The more you know, the smoother will be your home loan ride.
Stick with us, and you'll be a home loan guru in no time.
Thanks for joining us on this educational ride. If you found the breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share the knowledge. We'll see you in the next episode of Bondzansi. I'm Zanzi.